Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing a plan with me in my Erin Condren Daily Petite Planner. These are the new 2021 Petite Planners, and I'm super excited to get started with my January monthly calendar in this planner. I actually have already went ahead and put on the glitter cover, and then I realized it's upside down, so I'll need to adjust that off camera. I really do like the way it fits, and I actually plan to keep it in my 2021 Petite Folio cover using the layers Petite Folio cover. So it's going to go in here with my budget planner and a few of my other petite planners that I plan to use this season, I guess. Before I jump into my planning session, I actually wanted to share with you a recent Planner Kate haul. I purchased the new January kit as well as December, but it came so late I wasn't able to use the December one, at least not for this year that we're closing out or this month that we're closing out, but I will hold on to it in case I want to use it next year or find another way to use it. So we're going to open this up. It's a quick little short haul. It's really not a lot of stickers outside of these kits. If you watched my channel before, you know that I am a huge Planner Kate fan. I do regular hauls of her stickers, lots of kits, lots of functional stickers, script stickers, all of that in my planners. I plan to continue that going into 2021, and I just wanted to share with you the things that I recently purchased from her site. So as you know, she always includes her business card. It includes her website, Instagram, and Facebook information. I will leave that here, at least for now, in case you want to copy that down or screenshot it. And then she also includes freebies. So I received all of these little freebies. I have the icon stickers, which I do have a couple of other samples with these icons. I like to use them from time to time in my budget planner and my petite planner if needed. Also, a Planner Kate sticker, which are great for the sticker books. I should actually add one or a few of these to my sticker books that I currently have, so I'll plan to do that. These are the doodle stickers, which I'm absolutely in love with. These are the neutral ones, which have more of a white background. I tend to purchase the colorful ones just because I like colors in my planner. But I actually have a work planner coming in soon that I plan to have more of a neutral theme with, so some of these may actually work for that as well. And these are quite a few of the Planner Kate doodle stickers. I have full sheets of quite a few of these because I love them so much. These are colorful script stickers. I also have a couple samples of this particular sheet, and I use them quite a bit in my planners. And then the doodle girls, they're so cute. Honestly, I don't tend to use these as much in my planners. I don't know, I'm just not a animation planner, or I don't tend to use them, but maybe from time to time I will pull one out and add it to my planner as well. So these are very cute little doodle girls as well. And then to my actual purchases. So I purchased the December Petite Planner kit that I was going to use in my 2020 planner. I thought about even back planning with it, and I may end up doing that if it won't fit in the new planner. I haven't looked at the dimensions just yet to see. Actually, let me do something real quick. Yeah, it looks like the top layer is a little longer in the new planner, so these probably won't fit. So what I'll most likely do, and I probably won't do it on camera to be honest with you, but I'll probably go back and just use this kit in my 2020 planner to use it and finish out my December calendar, because all of the other months have kits and that one does not. So now this is the Petite monthly calendar kit from Planner Kate. That was recently released based on the new dimensions in the Erin Condren book. So I love the fact that now the days of the week are also attached to the decorative sticker, so you don't have to do the separate attachments in the planner, which is great. It still has the notes section, some script stickers, box stickers, even holidays, which I absolutely love. And then I also purchased the additional sheet, which she now provides, that has box stickers, obviously in different colors, and some functional checkbox stickers as well. I plan to use these for the month of January as well. We're going to open up my planner. I do need to go back and add my name in here, which I will do as well off camera. I really am excited about using this new kit in my planner. I have quite a bit going on in January, so actually I'm very happy to start putting this calendar together and being able to add things to it as needed. Okay, so starting off, we're going to first put in the header stickers at the top. This is my top header. I have to be honest, I'm not sure if I'm loving the look of this. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Something feels off about these dimensions. And having to like round the corners and all of that. It just feels like more work than the old kits used to be. But that could just be me. And then I'm going to put my notes section here. Okay, at least that went in well, but then it doesn't go to the end. This is just weird. I don't know if I really like this, to be honest. I really don't know. Let me keep going just simply because I need to. And then the next thing I want to do is add in my date dots. So it looks like my battery died as I was filming. I'm not exactly sure where it stopped, but I have put in all of my date dots. I put in some box stickers for significant days, also some decorative boxes, and now I'm just going to fill in with the other boxes that I have for appointments and things like that. Okay, so now that I have my boxes in place for most of my events, I'm going to start filling in details. So this is my January monthly calendar so far. As you can see, it is starting to fill in again as more things open up, and we just have a lot more going on going into the new year. I'm going to put a little bit of washi on the page. Those are my 2 paydays noted. I have all of my appointments so far noted. I have to be 100% honest. I love Planner Kate, I absolutely do, but this kit is just not my favorite. It seems like the dimensions are off, particularly for the header at the top. I don't like the fact that the notes page is only half of that section. That is really, really strange. Even the box stickers, to me, don't have a cohesive vibe. Primarily because I guess Erin Condren has also changed their layout so much, so there's so much more extra space like here in the center, which throws things off. So yeah, I'm not really sure if I'm going to continue using the kits in my planner. I may purchase the February one just to see if that one is improved a little bit better to fit the dimensions more. If not, then I may just go with the decorations that are currently in the planners and just use my own stickers to kind of build out my monthly calendar. So we shall see. I don't know if you've also purchased this kit or a similar one for January in your daily petite planner. Let me know if you have the same issues or they don't bother you. I'm just curious to know if I'm the only one being a little nitpicky about how these kits are designed for the new planners. But overall, I am just glad to get all of my upcoming events on paper, things I need to be reminded of so that I can go into the new year prepared, organized, and ready. Hopefully you are too. If you like this video and it gave you some inspiration, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!